Welcome to Backyard X-Scapes. We're the leading provider of bamboo, thatch, and tropical decor in the United States. We are proud to provide the highest quality green materials at competitive prices for both home and commercial use. In this video, we will show you how to install authentic natural African Cape Reed thatch panels, measuring 31 inches in width and 18 inches in height. Our panels are eco-friendly, durable, and bring a tropical look to any structure. These panels can be installed on either open or solid roof structures. We recommend placing each panel 14 inches on center for full coverage. Before we begin, here's a list of tools you will need to do this project: pneumatic staple gun or hammer, scissor, measuring tape, razor knife, and marker. Begin by measuring and marking the desired area on which you want to apply the thatch. Remove the clips from the top portion of the thatch before using. The African thatch panels are measured and pre-cut accordingly and are ready immediately for application. Using a staple gun, lay thatch out on previously marked measurements. Attach banded panels approximately 14 inches on center and work up to the ridge. Split bamboo poles can be attached to cover and decorate the ridges of the roof structure. Just like that, you've completed your African Cape Reed roofing project. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this brief installation video. Check out our website at www.backyardxscapes.com to see our full line of products or to view other videos and helpful installation tips. We offer the largest inventory of bamboo fencing, poles, paneling, borders, and slats, along with thatch roofing, matting materials, and tropical decor products that will instantly add a tropical feel to any area. Our knowledgeable and friendly staff are here to assist you with all of your bamboo, thatch, and tropical decor needs. Good luck on your project.